NFTs might be the eighth wonder of the world. For some reasons, people just love the things which defines themselves under the category of rare. Even if it's just zombie smoking, people will buy it for millions of dollars. And now this sector will go even crazier and publicly accepted with the entry of big players into the game. Hey crypto lovers, it is Crypto Billionaire, your friendly neighborhood crypto and financial education channel. In today's video, we'll tell you how Twitter's Jack Dorsey and TikTok are pushing NFTs for mass adoption. So stick with us till the end to get an idea all about it. With that being said, let's begin with the video. But before we begin, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the latest and amazing cryptocurrency and blockchain videos. In our opinion, social media giants embracing NFTs could be the start of a new reputation system used in an increasingly digital world. Twitter, which has seen its user base steadily grow to surpass 185 million users last year, is experimenting with NFTs to allow users to display their collections as their profile pictures. According to Mata Aflaq, a senior software engineer at Twitter, the microblogging platform is working on new functionality that will let users import their NFT collections from their wallets on the blockchain. The feature would display a verified checkmark based on the blockchain the NFT has been minted on. Twitter's verified NFTs may be an answer to a problem that has been plaguing crypto Twitter. After NFTs exploded earlier this year and collections like CryptoPunks started trading for hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars, they started being used as profile pictures. While on the blockchain, ownership can easily be verified on social media. Anyone can copy and paste the profile picture of someone else and use it on their own profile. When this started happening with extremely expensive NFTs, collectors weren't pleased. Digital artist Mike Winkelmann, known as Beeple, had one of his NFT artworks sell for $69 million, for example, and leading NFT marketplace OpenSea has seen its sales top $4 billion per month. A lot of money is involved, and while some argue that copy and pasting an NFT only makes it more valuable because of the attention it gets, others want to use and own their digital property exclusively. Here, the issue is that without any kind of verification process, on social media someone else's NFTs can easily be reused. For now, to verify the ownership of their NFTs, users could link their wallets, for example, although doing so could potentially compromise their anonymity. Showing off NFTs and verifying ownership can now be a part of a new reputation system on the web. Early cryptocurrency adopters are revered for being visionaries who saw something everyone else didn't in a then illiquid and risky market that is now worth trillions. Owning expensive and rare NFTs could now be seen as a way to show off crypto savviness and identify yourself as a proud member of the community. Alex Salnikov, co-founder and head of product at NFT marketplace Rarible, said that it was only a matter of time before NFTs started rolling out on Twitter. Stay with us to know how exactly this future will work on the platform of Twitter. Alex added that the future could be a part of a new reputation system for an increasingly digital world, and said that the significance of Twitter's new feature is not in the ability to prove that a certain NFT belongs solely to the profile owner. According to him, it's the contrary. It's the access to data this feature unlocks that matters most here. Jesse Johnson, co-founder of DeFi and NFT crossover project Aavegotchi, said that he's excited about the possibilities that Twitter verification of NFTs could bring to showcasing our digital identities, adding that as our real-life selves become entwined with digital avatars, it only makes sense that what's in your wallet becomes just as valid as who you are as a source of social identity. Users will have the option to set crypto collectibles as their profile pic to impress everyone. Twitter has unveiled an in-development tool that will enable users to display a verified non-fungible token NFT as their profile picture. Mata Aflaq, a senior software engineer at Twitter, shared a video demonstrating functionality that allows users to add NFTs to their accounts. Users can simply edit their profile, connect a cryptocurrency wallet, and import their OpenSea collection. Then, they can choose an avatar from their collection of NFT digital art. The profile picture will also be marked with a badge to verify that the image is the genuine article. thereby allowing users to flex their hugely expensive CryptoPunk or Bored Ape profile picture and have everyone know it's legit. Aflac stated that the run-through was just an experiment using a mock-up so anything could change, and she called on users to submit feedback and suggestions. While the verified profile pic is generating all the excitement so far, Messari research analyst Mason Nystrom speculated on other potential applications of Twitter integrating crypto wallets. These could include verifying how long a user has owned an asset, recommending follows for other NFT owners, buying and selling directly from Twitter profiles, and creating social graphs of NFT owners. It's the latest crypto-friendly move from Twitter, which last week integrated Lightning Network payments with Twitter profiles, enabling users to send and receive Bitcoin (BTC) for tips or other payments. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey has long been a supporter of Bitcoin and promoting it via the platform. That's not all. We'll also discuss how TikTok is planning to get into the NFT space, so stick with us to know all about it. So, Twitter, whose CEO Jack Dorsey, who sold the first ever tweet published on the platform for $2.9 million back in March, isn't the only social media giant testing the waters with NFTs. In an announcement made on September 28, TikTok revealed it was launching an NFT collection inspired by its top creators, including Lil Nas X, Bella Poarch, Curtis Roach, and others. The NFTs will be launched on the Ethereum network and powered by Immutable X, a new scaling solution for Layer 2 NFT protocol Immutable. The collection, called TikTok Top Moments, is set to feature a selection of 6 TikTok videos from the network's most influential creators to celebrate their impact in helping it become one of the largest social media platforms in the world. Income from the sales will go directly to content creators and NFT artists. With over 1 billion users, TikTok is one of the largest social media platforms in the world. Its use of blockchain technology brings it one step closer to mainstream audiences who one day, without even realizing it, may hold assets on the blockchain. As the abbreviation becomes more recognized to the general public, people will realize how valuable and even necessary NFTs are. Founder of the Waves blockchain, Sasha Ivanov, said TikTok's ability to create viral moments and cultural trends, as well as a hyper-connect global community, will play a pivotal role in the growth of the entire ecosystem. TikTok has notably been integrating blockchain technology into its business over time. In August of this year, it partnered with blockchain streaming platform Audius for a new feature called TikTok Sounds. The partnership allows Audius users to export songs created on the protocol to TikTok. To summarize it all in a few words, in 2013, the nascent cryptocurrency community discussed the potential colored coins that had to bring real-world assets onto the blockchain. Fast forward 8 years, it's now discussing how unique blockchain-based assets are entering their favorite social media platforms that are used by billions of people. TikTok and Twitter are now actively embracing non-fungible tokens, NFT, but the journey that has gotten us here has been a wild one, and to be honest, it's going to be even crazier from this point onwards. What are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments below. Do like if you learned something from our content. And lastly, I don't know what it is that you're going to do with that red color button below. Tell Jack Dorsey to endorse it on Twitter, or simply click it until it becomes gray or any other color. Your choice, but it must not be red anymore. I don't like that red color. Hit that bell icon as well if you don't want to miss any updates. Until then, peace out.